What's up, my Snaz fam? Hope you're all doing well and crushing life. We have an exciting video today. I'm stoked about it. Been talking about this with my buddy for a long time. We are gonna swap out the exhaust in his GT500 for that baby. That's right, we got a MagnaFlow exhaust, which is not like the wildest, loudest exhaust, but it should bump up the stock exhaust that he has. So I am working on getting an exhaust for the Fox body, and by working on it, I mean I haven't really done anything. I've done some research, but we're gonna make it happen soon. And I should clarify, my buddy's GT500, you guys know, you've seen it, Charlie. It's a 2014 GT500, not a 2020. I've actually never driven or been in a 2020 GT500, but I hear they're amazing.
He's right on cue. I heard him. I didn't see him, but I heard him, albeit barely. Rolling up. Let's see if he'll give us some rev. You guys remember Charlie?
Hey guys.
2014, right?
2014
GT500. A lot of HPs. It has a couple mods to it.
No, just one. Just a pulley and a tune.
Just a pulley and a tune.
Yep.
But no exhaust, so.
No exhaust.
Let's do it.
All right, Nick, you're the best, man.
Okay, famous last words. Charlie just said he's excited. It will be fun. He knows it took me 8 days to do the Raptor exhaust install, and he knows that because I had to borrow his tools. Yeah, it's gonna be a disaster. All right.
So we need to load that into the Raptor. Don't step on my calligraphy. I did that in high school. I'm saving it, so it's a mess. We're gonna clean it. Hey, Oscar, guess what? You're gonna come with us. Let's go.
Oh, we made it, no problem. I guess we gotta put Oscar in my Raptor.
Yeah.
Come on, up, get up there. Yeah, get up there. Oh yeah, say hi to everyone, say hi. So I have a friend that has a secret warehouse and a 2-post lift in it. Thanks, James, appreciate you. So while we're heading over there, we're gonna talk about today's sponsor. Guess what, everyone? I found an easy way for us to all make some extra money, which we all could use right now during the holidays as we're buying presents for everybody else. And it's all thanks to today's sponsor, OpinionOutpost.com. If you're not going to use the money you make from Opinion Outpost for Christmas presents, then guess what? You can still use it for mods, and more mods, starting with exhausts. All you have to do is share your opinion. That's right, you're gonna get paid for sharing your opinion by taking quick, easy surveys, which you can do while you're waiting for your friends to change their tires between donut sessions, watching YouTube videos, or just hanging out. It's just that easy, so be sure to click the link below and start sharing your opinion by taking quick and easy surveys that you get paid for, so you can buy those important things like more Nerf toys or car modifications. Now let's roll those exhaust clips on the stock GT500 2014.
Okay, so the GTR's in the way, but fortune has it, I got the key. Keep coming. Oh! All right, so we're settled in. Oscar's ready. Charlie's ready. Now, no, I'm not a professional. We are lined up, but if the car goes, not my fault. Okay, I'm scared already. Are you sure? Okay. Yeah, walk around.
Married to my sister.
Okay, we're not gonna go there. So here's the situation.
We got all the way here, I haven't really explained it. Charlie's got the GT500, has the stock exhaust. He wasn't planning on modifying it, so I said, look, I will buy you an exhaust if you let me film the install. So we made a deal, here we are. I bought the exhaust, he picked it, and we're doing the install. Charlie and Ty have skills at certain things, so we're hoping this will be done in 2 hours or less. It's 4:07, 6:07 is the goal.
I say an hour less.
Wow, that's not gonna happen.
Here's what I know. We got silver tips and noise and other chemicals come out of here. And there's a box thing. And we're gonna trade that out for black ones that don't, these don't have a box. Do you know that? Is that okay? There's not one of these on, are you okay?
I'm okay, I'm okay.
Yeah, we're gonna get some weight savings too. This thing is heavy. Wow.
I like, oh wow, it is.
That's one of two. Rinse and repeat. All right, so I want to mention something here. Sorry, I go hat backwards because when I go forwards, I hit my head on things. James, massive shout out appreciation, because the Shelby exhaust install that I did, we did it with jack stands. It was a pain. I was laying on my back. We could barely fit under the car. The Raptor, same thing. Obviously it has higher clearance, but it was a pain. The lifts though, that took less than 5 minutes to shake it out, and we are good to go. So James, I cannot say thank you enough for letting us use your 2-post lift for this install. Just for that, I will give you 10 links in the description below. Wait, are you guys already putting it in?
Sure.
The viewers want to see.
Do we need to take the, should we take this one out first or get this?
Weight difference. What do you got?
You're
Left
probably
hand?
25 right there.
Okay.
You're probably
15.
12, 15 right here.
Wow. You're welcome.
10 pounds extra.
0 to
That's
60
20.
times.
Yep.
Just went down. That'd be down.
So that means I could get 20 pounds heavier. And that'll be okay.
I would not recommend that.
That was mean, but you know. You guys are blessed. This video is gonna be over in like 30 seconds because look at this. We're already mostly in. Obviously we gotta bolt in the clamps here.
This clamp, we gotta tighten that, but we have the 2 hooks in, the balancing hooks. Are we in here, Ty?
Nope.
Almost?
Nope, almost.
But that's gonna look good. That's a good
We're in.
choice. Wow. Oscar, you just, why do you pick right there? I need to wash my wheels too. Those things are dirty.
Okay, it is 4:31. We've already got the one in. I've been like on Instagram and these guys they're already working on the second one. I can't wait to hear what this sounds like.
This is just killer though. What a beast. Look at this. Just
Performance, American muscle.
not right there. This. Okay, that was a joke. Obviously, this guy is full of American muscle.
Thank
Show us
you.
what you got.
Oh, yeah.
No? Okay,
Not
don't
as-
make it weird. Oh, you want? Yeah. Hey, Oscar, thank you for letting us use the warehouse. Just for that, 3 links below from my guy, Oscar. Well, James's dog, but you know.
There was a reason that we did it so fast last time is because you were helping us.
What? Well, I've been playing fetch with Oscar.
I know.
You guys are just so good and so fast. I didn't think you actually. Wait, do you actually need my help?
Yes. Probably, yeah.
I'm needed. I have value.
Just do this for a second. Down like that. Like that. Yeah.
Oh, wow. I mean, I'm holding the trophy, but it was these guys.
This is an axle back exhaust, right? Because the axle's here and we're going back. For those of you that didn't know, I know most of you probably already did. We're gonna attach it here and come out here, and it's gonna look like that and sound hopefully
Amazing. Hopefully. So there are no returns on this, Charlie. I paid full price. It was $680 or so, I believe, for this exhaust.
Oh, yes, you're going.
Well, I'm gonna.
Hey, Nick, how does it look on the end?
need to tweak it slightly.
Okay.
Oh wait, just like that, okay. Because we're on the plastic here, so we want to get a little bit over. What do you think, Charlie?
Oh, dude, this is gonna be so sick.
The GTR exhaust is massive. We just put exhaust in and I'm already, do we go bigger? Let's just enjoy this for now. Let's enjoy what we have. It's not about comparing to other people's exhausts. It is 447, exhaust in, everything's attached, we're buttoned up.
I'm sweating way too much for frankly doing nothing, but being done early is a bonus because we get more time to rip it on the street and hear what she sounds like. Let's get her down.
Don't worry, James, we know exactly what we're doing. There's just something about a car coming down off a lift, ready to hit pavement. Let's see what she sounds like. Ooh, Oscar approves. Yes, he likes it. How are you feeling?
Oh, this is an awesome moment.
How are your nerves? Are you confident, or, I mean, this is your guy Ty that did most of the work.
He did. You're right. You're right.
Do you feel good about what he did?
I did. I think we did a good job.
Go, baby. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah.
So I knew it was gonna sound good, but I actually didn't expect it to sound that good. For not even like the full extreme chorus loud, you know, crazy exhaust. I like this.
You gotta absorb it. Well, maybe not like right there.
Dude, that
Yes.
hurt.
Yes. Give it another one. Give it again. Oh, jeez.
That sounds awesome.
Wow. Respect.
Thanks, man. That's awesome.
Shout out again to Ty for helping out. Respect to Ty. Shout out. Link to
nothing below, but
Link to tie. Tie's tied. Let's hear it, baby! Yes!
price and simplicity of install, assuming you have a 2-post lift to get the car up, that by far is a mod that, okay, if you own a Mustang, exhaust mods, everybody, all of us, every single one. What do you got, baby? This guy gets himself way too worked up. He's way too excited about the exhaust install we had, and now he's just trying to recover, trying to relax a little. It's not like the 350, right? This is a 14 GT500. They have a different engine and all that stuff, but it still has some gurgles. It still has some nice noise. This is just like, boom, bam. One more time. All right, so Charlie, where we messed up is I didn't let you drive the Raptor so you could hear your own Shelby. So another day we're gonna have to swap so you can hear your own, because there's something about being behind your own car, listening to your own car, it sounds amazing. But I will tell you this. Yes. It is strong, it's powerful, it's aggressive. It was getting dark, but even though it was dark, the exhaust didn't care. It was still piercing the night, and you could hear a mile away this strong, gentle, aggressive, but kind song. Get tucked in. Get a little rowdy before she's getting tucked in for the night. A lot of work, huh, bud? Let's get a drink. Thanks again, James, for the massive hookup. I'd probably still be laying under the GT500 if we didn't have the 2-post lift, so just massive respect. I appreciate you. I gotta get to work on this mess because we're gonna get something installed right here tomorrow that is really kind of essential. You'll see in an upcoming video what it is, but as for now, we're gonna end today's video on the same day that we started this video, aka we did a install video, a modification video in one day. Record, Grant, Charlie, and Ty did it all. I appreciate you guys as well, but that's how we do. I hope you guys are doing well. I wish you all the best of luck. Go crush it. Peace.